Hey, Prowl. Oh, that was so cute. Of course, you dig right into that. Love you. Love you. Gonna say anything? Hmm? Of course. Oh, okay. Thank you for aborting. Oh, you're not walking out of here again. That's just rude. I have to follow my cat. Pardon me for it's about to get dark. Bright light. What was that again, Pro? You want water? Water? What do you want again, Pro? What do you want again? Hmm? You gotta say it. Say it one more time, please. Rubbing on it is not gonna get your... Well, actually, if you did it right, you might get it. So what do you want, Pro? I'm not gonna get an answer out of you. How my cat drinks water. Oh, I'm gonna try and make it straighter. There you go, so you can see it from this angle. Yeah, he likes to drink water from the sink. And in the process, he kind of gets his face wet. Usually the cheeks and the top of his head. I actually started this video because I wanted to record him meowing and whining at me. It's just a coincidence that he decided to drink some water. So I'm like, okay, get you drinking your water. For a good 2 to 3 minutes. You almost done, bro? Okay, you almost done? Jeez, he's like a camel. Seriously. It's like, no wonder you pee so much. I need to get one of those cat fountains. It's just, they're so expensive. And I can't afford them right now. But one day I will get you a cat fountain. That way we don't have to rely on the sink and you could just drink from that instead. Because that would be so much better. You almost done, Pro? Honestly, you're almost done? Please be done. Will this encourage you to be done faster? Will petting you encourage you to be done faster? Come on. God, you suck, cat. Drinking for so long. Shameless Febreze and Sensodyne advertisement right there. Febreze, it is useful. Sensodyne, it is useful. Oh yeah, I like using Sensodyne. Yeah, I was tempted to turn your water off, but I'm not that mean. Oh, okay, good, you're finished. I'm taking that as you're finished, because you moved your head away. Now to follow you again. Into the darkness. No, there you go. Light again. Just a little dark. Following him into the kitchen. Sorry, that's my shadow. Yes, bro? Stalking my kitty, ladies and gentlemen. What do you want, bro? Come on, meow for me. No, don't rub against that. those are the wrong lights to turn on. That's better. Now it's brighter in here. Sorry for the bad lighting, people. There you go. That's so much cuter. Oh, sorry. Didn't mean to poke your ear there. Not even gonna meow or anything? Usually he's always meowing at the door. You want outside? You want outside? Why is it when the camera's on, you're absolutely quiet? You're not going outside. Oof. I can't twist around like that. Yay! Noise. Now's the point of this video. That would be great 3D. Then again, I'm tired of 3D, so... the 3D phone thing, it's like, ooh, yeah, I'm just gonna drop that subject. Come on, bro. Speak! Thank you. I love you for that. That's only a small taste of how whiny he can get. Usually when this thing is off, he's very whiny. He's attacking the phone. Oh, was that a huff? An annoyed little huff. I'm gonna have to get over it. I'll stop the vid in a second. Oh, shit. Well, that's the perfect way to end it. Him attacking the phone. And sorry for cussing, everybody. Say bye to everybody, Prowl. Say bye. Prowl, say bye. No, stop rubbing on the fire ant thing. Say bye, Prowl. Say bye. Say goodbye.